it's nearly nom nom time. You hungry, Munker? You ever get some nom nom kisses? That's not a nom nom kiss. This is nom nom kisses. Oh, it's a nom. For Juno's. Perfect. Give me some fresh kibble for Bella, even though she probably will not eat them. You'll get an egg. Good dogs. You, cushion. On the cushion. On that cushion. Yes, go on the cushion. Go on it. Winston, I know it's new. Get on that cushion. On it. Yes, go on. Get on. Don't do circles of it. Cushion. Come on. That's the cushion, yes. This is cushion as well. Cushion. Up. Come on the cushion. Come on. Yes. Stay. Wait. Are you hungry, Bella? Good dogs. Now sit. Sit, Juno. Good girl. You sitting, Bella? Now sit. Good girl. Yes. Winston, I didn't say. Come on, back on that cushion. Back on the cushion. Up you go. Good boy. High five. Yes. Good dogs. Eggy goodness. Good girl. Yes. Juno. Good girl. So you can get snapped at. Good girl. Yes. Oh, such a good girl. Good girl. Yes. I know it's hard being a fast eater. Sometimes. Want some help with the last one, bud? There you go. Yeah. You doing a clean plate today as well, Bella? Oh, I'm so hungry. Good dogs.